In this video, I'm going to show you how to add birthdays to your Google Calendar. So this is really quick and easy. The first thing we need to do is just head over to google.com, make sure you're signed into your Google account, and then click on the square icon in the top right. You can then go and select contacts. Now you can see in the top right hand side, we'll get this suggestion to go and add birthdays. What we're actually going to do is click on create contact over in the left, and then just press create contact. You can now go and fill out the information about the person that you want to add into your calendar. So for example, I could go and type in mum, and then if we scroll down, we need to go and enter the birth date of this person. Now obviously you'll need to change this to the birthday of the person you're trying to add, and then you can go and press save. Now all we simply need to do is come back over to your Google Calendar, and then if I go and open up July, you can see that this birthday has been automatically added, and it will automatically sync up to your Google Calendar. Now if you can't see this, just make sure you have birthdays checked over in the left hand side, and it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.